The city at night. I call it home, and you can call me the Owl. And night after night, nothing escapes my gaze. I see all your crime, all your Tootsie Pop licks, and all your traffic mistakes. Drive safely, dummies.
Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave Natch, I speak stocks. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Stock List. Today's Sunday, January the 30th, and in today's video, I have one play for you to put on stock this coming week. But before I go into the play, let me delve into Friday's recap of the markets. The Dow Jones rallied late afternoon. They closed up 1.65% at 34,725. The Nasdaq made a strong move late afternoon. The Nasdaq closed up a convincing 3% at 13,770. Let's see if this could continue into this week. Let's see what happens. Apple closed up a whopping 7% at $170.33. Earnings topped 30 billion for the first time ever. Go ahead and check out Apple's earnings. Let's jump right into it. Dave's play today is a BP play. BP is the acronym for bounce play. I'm looking for a quick bounce this week. Wlms. Wlms was down 31% on Friday. The stock closed at 210. The low on the day Friday, 206. That's a new 52-week low. Let's see what happens. The volume on Friday was 1.8 million compared to their average volume of 100K. This one is in the engineering and the construction space, WLMS. The company lowered their 2022 guidance. That's what caused the plunge. And I'm looking for an opportunity here. Matter of fact, an officer purchased some shares at $3.50, and the stock is now about $2. Okay, so there you go. We're getting a deal, a steal here. There's only one reason for a director and officer to purchase a company stock, and is that it's going up. They believe it's undervalued and it's going up. D&O could sell for whatever reason. They want to buy a new yacht, they want to buy a new Bugatti, a new Porsche, a new anything. But there's just one reason to buy. All right, they could sell for whatever reason. Let me cut the blackest kite and get into the numbers. WLMS wears a market cap of 79 million. Okay, they have 13 million in the float. 20% are held by insiders. 55% are institutions, and shorts has 1% of the float. Their profit margin is 0.32%. Let me say that again. Their profit margin is a positive 0.32%. Their operating margin is a positive 3%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 4%. Their ROE, a positive 3%, return on equity. Okay, this is WLMS. Let's continue. They have 290 million in revenues. Their revenue per share is 10.70. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 10.70% year over year. Let me say that again. Their quarterly revenue growth is a positive 10.7% year over year. They have 34 million in gross profit. 34 million in gross profit. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 7.59 million. 7.59 million, their EBITDA. Let's continue. Their net income is 1.14 million. A positive 1.14 million, okay? Their quarterly earnings growth, however, that's the problem. Their quarterly earnings growth is down 28% year over year. That's why the stock is heading down. I'm just looking for a quick bounce in and out on this one next week. This coming week, I beg your pardon. Let's continue. They have 3 million in total cash and a whopping 36 million in total debt. Okay, their current ratio is sitting at par. Their current ratio is sitting at 1.41. Okay, their operating cash flow is a positive 8.64 million, and their leverage free cash flow is a positive 8.46 million. Let me say that again. Their operating cash flow 8.64 million. Their leverage free cash flow 8.46 million. If I were a gambling man, I would play 846, $10 straight, $10 box, but I'm not. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at The Petite for my stock alerts. Don't forget to set your notification for Dave's Play tomorrow. Please subscribe to the channel. Around here we find supernova movers early. And hammer that like if you like. All right, I'll see you when I see you. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is $100. Also, trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. Alright, thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
Got a lot of money invested in a Dave Play. Every day, you want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Foot 4 gas, rich. Yeah, this is Danny B, the Jingle King. I have a little argument for go now. But you know, I find myself with the money. And instead I'm squander it and go on with foolishness and go along with. You want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Please, me I tell you now. Go make the money now, please. Yeah, man. Wanna do it fast and quick here? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Fast, don't stop. Every day, you want the money go? Check Dave's Play. Invest. Interest. Bless.
Turmeric.
What is this? What is this? Spinach, sausage, baked bean. And this is the peas. Oxtail and the snowy Sunday.
Snow, what's snow?
Not too bad. Oh, here's a look icy. Need a shovel. No shovel needed. Good. Number 2. Good to go.